What if I told you your pull-up struggles have little to do with your back strength? You might be surprised, but the truth is most people who fail at pull-ups aren't lacking in muscle or motivation. Instead, there's a hidden factor holding you back, one that almost nobody talks about. We're taught pull-ups are all about the lats, so you hammer back exercises, hoping for more reps. You spend hours on the lat pull-down machine, rows, and every back workout you can find, believing that a stronger back is the key to conquering the pull-up bar. But the real bottleneck? Your grip. It's not your back giving out first. It's your hands and forearms that wave the white flag, often without you even realizing it. Your hands and forearms are the only connection to the bar. If they're weak, your lats never get to show their true power. Think about it. No matter how strong your back is, if your grip fails, the set is over. Your body is only as strong as its weakest link. It's like towing a truck with a string. The weak link snaps first. You wouldn't expect a thin rope to haul a heavy load, so why expect weak hands to support your entire body weight? When your grip fails, your brain shuts down the movement to protect you, long before your back is actually tired. This is your body's way of preventing injury, but it also means you never reach your true potential during pull-ups. So, the fastest way to more pull-ups isn't more back work, it's optimizing your grip. By training your hands and forearms, you unlock the strength you already have, and suddenly, those extra reps become possible. By changing how you hold the bar, you can delay fatigue and let your back do the work. Small adjustments in grip width, thumb placement, and even the use of chalk can make a massive difference in your performance. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a game changer. People who focus on grip strength often see their pull-up numbers double in just a few weeks, unlocking progress they never thought possible. Let's break down how to turn your grip from your biggest weakness into your greatest asset, so you can finally conquer the pull-up bar and unleash your true strength. Let's dig into why grip is your limiting factor. Your forearm muscles contract hard to hold the bar, but this constant tension restricts blood flow, causing rapid fatigue. If your grip is weak, your body recruits smaller muscles like your biceps, making the pull-up less effective for your back. Your lats are built for endurance, but your forearms aren't. They give out first. That's why your hands fail before your back does. The solution isn't just squeezing harder. A good grip creates a stable hook, letting your body hang more passively from your skeleton, not just your muscles. This reduces forearm fatigue and keeps your back in the driver's seat. It's a small change in technique with a huge impact. Make your grip efficient and your pull-up numbers will climb. Let's see which grip style actually wins for reps. Let's dive into the world of pull-ups and see how the main grip styles stack up when it comes to cranking out more reps. Each grip has its own strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these differences can help you choose the best one for your goals. The classic overhand grip, also called the pronated grip, is the go-to for most traditional pull-ups. It's fantastic for targeting your lats and upper back, making it a favorite for building that V-shaped torso. But there's a catch. This grip puts a lot of strain on your forearms and grip strength. For many people, it's not their back that gives out first. It's their hands and forearms that start to fatigue, cutting your set short before your back muscles are truly challenged. Now let's talk about the underhand grip or chin-up grip. This style brings your biceps into the action in a big way, making each rep feel a bit easier, especially if you're stronger in your arms than your back. However, while you might be able to squeeze out a few more reps, the focus shifts away from your lats and upper back, so you're not getting the same muscle building benefits in those areas. The neutral grip, where your palms face each other, is often praised for being the most joint-friendly option. It's easier on your wrists and elbows, making it a great choice if you have any joint discomfort. It also offers a nice balance between biceps and back engagement. But if you're using a straight bar, this grip isn't always available, and it's not necessarily the best for maximizing your rep count on standard pull-up bars. So, with all these options, which grip should you use if your main goal is to get more reps? Is it better to switch to chin-ups for the extra bicep help, or stick with the classic overhand for back gains? Or maybe the neutral grip is the secret weapon? The answer isn't just about switching to chin-ups or neutral grip. Instead, there's a simple tweak you can make to the overhand grip that can dramatically increase your endurance and rep count, without sacrificing back engagement. The winner for most people is actually a variation of the overhand grip, the thumbless or false grip. This small change can make a big difference in your performance. By taking your thumb off the bar and placing it on the same side as your fingers, you instantly reduce the amount of tension in your forearms. This allows you to create a more secure hook with your fingers, so your grip doesn't give out as quickly. You'll notice less forearm burn and more stability as you pull yourself up. With the thumbless grip, you can hang on longer, which means your back and lats get to do more of the work. This not only helps you get more reps, but also ensures you're targeting the right muscles for maximum strength and muscle growth. It's a surprisingly simple adjustment, but the payoff is huge. You'll likely find you can push past your usual limits and get more out of every set, just by changing how you grip the bar. Curious to see how this works in practice? Let's take a closer look at how to set up the thumbless grip, so you can start repping out more pull-ups right away. Up next, we'll break down the thumbless grip step by step, so you can master this game-changing technique and take your pull-up performance to the next level. The thumbless grip means your thumb is on the same side as your fingers, not wrapped underneath. This turns your hand into a hook, shifting the load from your forearm muscles to your hand structure. It's more energy efficient. You're hanging, not squeezing. With a full grip, you tend to pull with your arms. With a thumbless grip, you're forced to lead with your back. This automatically improves your form and mind muscle connection. Your lats take over, your endurance goes up, and your reps increase. The thumbless grip unlocks your back's true strength. Here's how to master it. The thumbless grip, sometimes called the false grip or suicide grip, is a powerful technique for pull-ups that can help you target your back muscles more effectively and reduce unnecessary strain on your forearms. Let's break down exactly how to set up the thumbless grip for maximum effect and why it might be the missing link in your pull-up progress. Start by placing your hands just outside shoulder width on the bar. This position is ideal for most people, as it allows your shoulders to move naturally and keeps your joints safe. If you go too wide, you'll put unnecessary stress on your shoulders, which can lead to discomfort or even injury over time. Too narrow, and you'll limit your range of motion and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Next, set the bar deep in your palm, right at the base of your fingers. Avoid letting the bar rest across your fingers, as this can cause your grip to fatigue quickly and may even lead to calluses or blisters. By placing the bar in your palm, you create a stronger, more stable connection to the bar. Now drape your forefingers over the bar and rest your thumb on top, right next to your index finger. This is the hallmark of the thumbless grip. Unlike the traditional grip, where your thumb wraps underneath, here, your thumb simply rests on top, helping to keep your grip relaxed and your forearms from overworking. The key here is not to squeeze the bar tightly. Instead, let your hands hang like hooks. This relaxed grip allows your larger back muscles to take over, rather than relying on your grip strength and forearms to do all the work. Before you even start your pull-up, hang from the bar for a few seconds. This dead hang lets you feel the grip supporting your full body weight. It's a great way to check that your hands are in the right position and that your grip feels secure, even without your thumb wrapped underneath. You should notice that your forearms feel more relaxed than they do with a full grip. This is one of the main benefits of the thumbless grip. It takes the tension out of your forearms and lets your lats and upper back do the heavy lifting. When you're ready to pull, focus on driving your elbows down and back. Imagine pulling your chest up to the bar by squeezing your shoulder blades together. This cue helps you engage your lats and upper back, which are the primary muscles you want to target during pull-ups. As you move through each rep, keep your grip and form consistent. Don't let your hands slip or your elbows flare out. Maintaining this steady grip throughout the set will help you build strength and muscle more efficiently, while also reducing your risk of injury. At first, the thumbless grip might feel a bit strange or even insecure, especially if you're used to wrapping your thumb underneath the bar. But stick with it. You'll quickly notice less forearm fatigue, better back engagement, and a smoother pull-up motion overall. Like any new technique, mastering the thumbless grip takes practice. Make it a habit to use this setup every time you approach the pull-up bar. Over time, your grip will feel more natural, and you'll see improvements in your pull-up strength and endurance. Now, let's talk about wrist and elbow alignment. Proper alignment is crucial not just for performance, but also for keeping your joints healthy and preventing injuries. When your wrists and elbows are stacked and moving in the right path, you'll generate more power and keep your shoulders safe. Focus on keeping your wrists straight and your elbows tracking down and back as you pull. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering the thumbless grip and unlocking your pull-up potential. Proper wrist and elbow alignment is crucial for performance and joint health. Don't let your wrists bend back. Keep them neutral or slightly flexed. Imagine trying to bend the bar in half. This keeps your wrists stable. Your knuckles should point up, creating a straight line from hand to forearm. For elbows, drive them down and slightly back, not flared out or pulled forward. This path maximizes lat engagement and reduces shoulder stress. The thumbless grip naturally encourages this motion. Visualize tucking your elbows into your back pockets as you pull. Combine this with a stable wrist for a smooth, powerful pull-up. Good alignment transforms the movement from arm-heavy to back-dominated. Now let's fix the most common mistakes. Even with the right grip, mistakes can sabotage your progress. First, avoid the death grip. Don't squeeze the bar too hard. Trust the hook. Second, don't lose the hook at the top of the rep. Maintain the grip all the way up and down. Third, don't let the bar rest across your fingers. Set it deep in your palm for a solid shelf. Always take a second to set up properly. A bad setup ruins your set. Finally, don't neglect the lowering phase. Control the descent, keeping your wrists straight and lats engaged. Don't drop down or re-grip at the bottom. Maintain the hook for every rep. These fixes will instantly improve your pull-up quality and endurance. Now let's build the foundation for even more reps. Grip strength training is your next step. Here's how to do it. 12. The thumbless grip is powerful, but don't skip grip training. A stronger grip makes every exercise easier. Start with dead hangs. Hang from the bar as long as possible to build endurance. Accumulate 2 to 3 minutes per session, broken into sets if needed. As you get stronger, increase hang time or add weight. Farmer's walks are another great tool. Carry heavy dumbbells for 30-60 seconds to build crushing grip strength. Add wrist curls and reverse curls to strengthen stabilizing muscles. Strong wrists mean less energy loss and fewer injuries. Combine the thumbless grip with grip training for maximum results. This two-pronged approach will skyrocket your pull-up numbers. Now, let's put it all into action. You've learned why grip is the secret to more pull-ups and how the thumbless grip changes the game. Now it's time to act. Next workout, warm up, then try a few sets with the thumbless grip. Focus on form, not max reps. Feel the bar deep in your palm, keep your wrists straight, and pull with your back. Once comfortable, go for a max set and notice the difference. See if your grip still fails first, or if your back finally gets pushed to its limit. Small tweaks can lead to huge breakthroughs. Train smarter, not just harder. If this helped, subscribe for more science-backed strength tips. Try the grip, share your results below, and I'll see you in the next video.